Welcome to the channel. If you want to test the speaker, earpiece, microphone, or sound on your Infinix smartphone, there's no need to rush into installing third-party apps. In this video, I'll show you a special code for testing sound on Infinix and explain how to properly launch the built-in device test using the diagnostic menu. You can quickly check whether the main audio components of your phone are working properly and whether there are any sound-related issues.
One, 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 one.